In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your money by check from your PayPal account. Whether you're someone who prefers receiving a physical check or has a specific need for one, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the PayPal website, open up your browser and type in paypal.com. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your login details, that's your email address and password. Go ahead and fill those in and hit the login button to access your PayPal account. Now, it's important to note that requesting a check is typically an option available for personal accounts without a linked balance account. Keep this in mind as we proceed. Once you've logged in successfully, navigate to your wallet. You can find this option in the menu near the top of the page. When you're in your wallet, you'll see various options for managing your funds. What you want to do next is click on Transfer Money to proceed. At this stage, you'll be presented with different transfer options. Look for the one that says Request a check by mail and select it. This is your gateway to receiving that physical check. After this, you'll need to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired amount carefully, ensuring it's within the available balance in your account. Once you've input the amount, the next step is to review all the transfer details. This is a crucial part where you verify that everything is correct. Ensure the amount, method, and any other listed details align with your intentions. When you're satisfied, click on Request your amount now to initiate the withdrawal process. After requesting the check, you'll typically see a confirmation message indicating the process has been initiated. Finally, you need to click Done to complete the process and exit the screen. Remember, it might take a few business days for the check to arrive depending on your location and mailing service efficiency. So plan accordingly, especially if you need the check by a specific date. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to request a check from your PayPal account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.